Salut tout le monde et welcome back to La Forêt French class. Have you ever tried making a sentence in French like saying a dog or the cat and got confused between une, le or la? Don't worry, today I'll break it down for you in a super easy way. Articles are small words that we put before a noun to tell if we are talking about something general or something specific. Like in English, we say a book. It means it can be any book. And we also say the book, which means we are talking about a specific book. In French, we have indefinite articles for general things and definite articles for specific things. So, now let's start with indefinite articles. In English, indefinite articles are a or an. In French, indefinite articles are une, and they. A means a or an before a masculine singular noun. Une means a or an before a feminine singular noun. And they means some before a plural noun for both masculine and feminine. Now let's see some examples. Un chien, une pomme, des enfants. So let's see how we use indefinite articles when we have a negative sentence. When a sentence is negative, indefinite articles une or they become the or the apostrophe. For example, je n'ai pas de chien. I don't have a dog. Elle ne mange pas de pomme. She doesn't eat an apple. When a noun starts with a vowel or a silent H, we use the apostrophe. For example, nous n'avons pas d'amis, we don't have any friends. Il n'a pas d'ordinateur, he doesn't have a computer. But here's an exception. With the verb être, indefinite articles do not change, they stay the same. For example, c'est un problème becomes ce n'est pas un problème. C'est une erreur becomes ce n'est pas une erreur. Here are some questions and you have to fill them with une or they. Write your answers in the comment section below. Now that we have learned indefinite articles, let's move on to definite articles. In English, definite articles is the, but in French, definite articles are le, la, le apostrophe, and les. Le means the before a masculine singular noun. La means the before a feminine singular noun. Le apostrophe means the before a singular noun, both masculine and feminine, before a vowel or a silent H. Les means the before a plural noun for both masculine and feminine. For example, le chien, la maison, l'arbre, l'école, les enfants. So now let's see, when do we use definite articles in French? We use definite articles when we want to talk about something known or something specific. For example, où est le livre? We also use definite articles with the days of the week in French. For example, je jouais au football le samedi. So now that you have learned definite articles, here are some questions that you can practice and make sure to write your answers in the comment section below. And voila, you have learned indefinite and definite articles. So now here's a quick tip to remember both of them. If you want to talk about something that is general, then you should use indefinite articles, which are une and they. But if you want to talk about something specific, make sure to use definite articles, which are le, la, le apostrophe, and les. And that's it. I hope this makes French articles clearer for you. Now try making your own sentences in French using definite and indefinite articles and write them in the comment section below. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.